Hi YouTube, welcome to another one of my videos. You might remember the beginning of the restoration of this pump. It's basically like a Climax #1 pump, but the Cyrus Dome. You probably would have seen the beginning of the restoration video. It's been quite a while since I've done anything to it. I think last time you guys seen it on the actual inner shed update, most of it was in red oxide primer. Last couple of days my granddad just finished wire brushing some of the bits off of me, and I've been painting up all the bits. All the bits here have had 2 coats each at the minute. I was going to go for, well, the pump originally was meant to be green, then I thought going a bit different and going orange, and well, I decided to start painting it last night, and I just had a little look for my paint collection, and I found this blue I bought a couple of years ago. I was going to do my trailer up again, but I thought I might as well use it on this. So I know it's a bit different, some of you probably won't like it, but I just wanted something a bit different, in green and red on the valley field. It'll just look a bit different, hopefully it'll stand out a bit. All it's missing on this pump is the drive pulley I still want to get. It's an inch shaft it goes on, and the pipe work I've got to make up, and I've got to obviously make all the gaskets back up, but all the rest are here. The little cups are here, and the leather cups for the piston for it, all the bits are here. I've got to build a trolley some point. I might start doing that tomorrow. 4 cast on wheels, little matching set. I've got to get some steel and weld up some axles for them. So I thought that's a little update on that. The Fairbanks has moved into the shed now. The LTD has moved out for a little bit while the Fairbanks has took its place. I spent about 4 hours yesterday cleaning the Fairbanks up. I don't think it's been cleaned for a very long time. I was going to paint it up this winter, but you look quite bad to see the paint. But now it's cleaned up. He isn't too bad. I might be able to get away mixing up a bit of green and touching up the chips and that, and the little scuffs of paint. So hopefully I'll do that, and then once I get a bit more use running the engine and that, I will do a full restoration on it. I haven't started it for quite a while. I can't start it now because it's a bit on its weight limit on the shed floor. The shed floor has bowed the weight of it. That's why I've kept it near the front of my shed, because I've got concrete pillars there. So it's been there for the last 2 nights, so the floor hasn't collapsed yet, and it's been in the same place. I won't put it to the back of the shed with the other ones, because then the whole shed is all one side heavy. I had a bloke come up today, looked at my list today. He said it was a very nice engine and everything looked quite good to it, but the problem was it wouldn't fit in the back of his Discovery. It's about 6 inches too high for the Discovery, and it was about 8 inches too long to fit in there with his trolley. So with that, I said to him I've got a couple of small engines. So I've got a little Ruston 6PB and a International LA, and he's had a look at them, and he's quite interested in both. So hopefully I might have sold those 2. I've got to wait for the end of the week to see what happens, if we agreed to buy them. I've still got to get rid of some bits here because I've got too much, so I just want to keep my little, like, more decent engines now. There's nothing wrong with the engines I'm selling, I just need the room and a bit of money for my driving and insurance, so I can't keep it all. And obviously this pump I'm going to do it up and then see how well it works, and if I really get attached to it or not. And I might end up selling this one on, but I'll keep it for a bit. I still got the Wolseley restoration on the go. This pump, I did start the restoration on the pump before the Wolseley, and it seems only fair to finish the pump restoration before finishing the Wolseley one. So hopefully when this pump's finished, we'll be looking at doing the Wolseley again. But like I said, I nearly sold a Manca pump the other week, but I'm glad I kept it now because I've got the Fairbanks here. The igniter was stripped all down and rebuilt it all, but the engine, I had one bang out of it, and that seems to be it. I can't seem to get no life out of it at all. We're going to take the mag off maybe tonight or tomorrow and put them in the air and cover for a few days. He's got a fantastic spark because I disconnected the lead there, just touched against the bolt, and he was a hell of a spark cracked off it. So I don't think it is the mag. Fuller & Johnson, I took the mag off the other day to fit on the new Bradford Manco. But this mag didn't seem to like the engine, and I didn't want to adjust the mag because the mag is adjusted to this engine. So I put this one back as he is. I haven't tried it, but it was only 2 bolts down the back. But the Bradford Manco, I said I was looking for a Wyco EK snap mag like that one. Went to the show weekend and my mate's got one, so we've agreed on a price. And basically said try it out first. And I put it on the engine yesterday and we dragged it out on the lawn. And first flicker of the flywheels, he fired up. But one problem with it, he took off a bit, bouncing around the back end, was jumping up and down. Yeah, I couldn't hardly run him that long because the bloody thing would rev his guts off. So I'm going to take him to a show a couple of weeks time and hopefully see my mate, which knows a bit more about them. So hopefully we can get him going. But like I said, we're having a promise in it fired up. It could be timing or the governor weights or the gear teeth might need adjustment. So I don't know. We'll find out. But I will do a video on that one when he's running a while. And the same as the Fairbanks, when I get him outside on a nice day, I should fire up for you. But the last couple of days it's been pissing it down the rain basically. Just before I finish this video, I've seen someone done on one of their engines, so I copied the idea. Is get a piece of brass strip, fold them back, drill a hole in it, and also you can attach that to your spark plug, and then the flat end like that on your spark plugs where you normally screw them on just slides in like that. So the engine needs to be stopped quickly instead of yanking up the HTD and just to basically snap it off. You can pull that out and it's still intact, and plus you can leave that brass thing on there tight, and when you take the plug out you can stay on it. So I'm going to make a couple more of them up for my other engines and to keep on some spare plugs. So yeah, I also thought I'd get that little idea out. It's not really my idea, but I just thought I'd copy someone. Got a new oiler for it, new drip oiler. This one's got a plastic sleeve in it, but you would tell the difference. And there's so much better oil. I've got to get new glass for the other one because the glass broke. I tried fixing it, but it leaked. So we just put that to one side. I'll get new glass for that one on what the 1000 engine rally. You can get new glasses for them. So there's nothing wrong with the oiler itself. And once I get the other oiler fixed, I can put the one which belonged on this one on the Fuller & Johnson then, because the Fuller & Johnson one is one of these cheap nasty ones. Don't either drips too much or not enough. So that's a little update for you guys in the workshop, more so on the pump. And I'm quite pleased with the colour. I might do a bit of either cream on the writing or gold, and I haven't quite yet decided yet. Let's see how to build the pump up and see what I feel. So thank you for watching this short little video. I'll just join you again on another one. So cheers and gone.